Welcome to D&V Auto Services. We provide interior steam cleaning, transforming your dashboard, doors, and seats with deep, spotless results. Got mold? Our expert mold removal service eliminates it completely, restoring your interior to a clean, healthy state. Pet hair woes? We've got you covered, removing every strand for a fur-free, fresh cabin. Our foam wash delivers a thorough clean, perfect for your vehicle, leaving it sparkling. Enhance your vehicle's shine with our professional wax and buffing, for a showroom finish. Our clay bar treatment removes contaminants, ensuring a smooth, flawless surface. With our cut and polish, we eliminate scratches and restore your paint's brilliance. Our ceramic coating locks in a glossy, protective finish, elevating your ride. Don't neglect the undercarriage. Our wash keeps it clean and corrosion-free. Our engine shampoo revitalizes your engine bay, keeping it clean and protected. Dim headlights? Our restoration service boosts clarity and safety for driving. Rain or shine, we detail your vehicle undercover, ensuring top-quality results. Even in snow, we're out there, keeping it pristine no matter the weather. Need a lift? We use quick jacks for precise detailing and maintenance on your vehicle. From alternators to starters, we handle replacements with expert care. Ensure safety with our brake replacement service, featuring top-quality rotors. Keep your engine running smoothly with our efficient oil change service. We keep your business fleet polished and professional, ready to impress every client. From sleek vans to high-end sedans, we pamper every detail to match your style. Your commercial fleet powers your business. We make it shine, ensuring it reflects your brand's strength. We detail RVs and motorhomes to sparkle for every journey. Our boat detailing crafts a pristine vessel that cuts through waves with pride. Your motorcycle is your passion. We polish every curve, making it a masterpiece. Big or small, we detail buses to keep passengers riding in comfort and style, every trip. For heroes on the move, we detail ambulances with care, ensuring hygiene. Fire trucks save lives. Our detailing honors the vehicles that protect us all. With over 1235 plus 5-star reviews, call us for all your detailing and mechanic needs. Book online now at mobileautoservice.ca.